Do you want to say hi to everyone? It's been a while since you've made an appearance on... Oh, she's just going for the makeup. Are you going to help Mommy do her makeup? Hi, everybody. Isn't she a little cutie with her bandana? She's all ready for the festive season. Kiss me. She never licks me. Totally get rejected every time. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out a new 5-in-1 makeup product. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tina. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay updated with future videos that I post. The product I'm trying out today is from a new cream brand called Blessed Moon. I came across this brand whilst I was shopping on YesStyle, and their unique packaging caught my attention. This is their Blessed Moon 5-in-1 makeup compact. I got 2 different shade ranges, Yong Juicy and Rocco Velvy. For either of these, you can choose whether you want to get the pink or black packaging. Each one consists of a foundation, blush, eyeshadow duo, lip color, eyeliner, and it comes with a brush. What's really cool about this packaging is that the pans, you can actually remove them. So this whole bottom part slides out, if I can get it. With a little bit of strength, this part actually slides out. So you can see all the pans here at the back. They're actually held in place by magnets. You can see if I just push on the bottom, the pan comes up and you can literally just take it out and replace it. So after you're done changing up your palette, you can pop the bottom part back on and it clicks into place. The compact palette also comes with a handy mirror in case you're doing makeup on the go. Another really cool feature is that it has this like hidden compartment here and it flips up, and the brush and eyeliner that comes in the set, you can actually fit it in to this little compact and then close it up and voila! On the packaging there's also some text printed here. It says, "She is so blessed, like a blessed moon." They may need to work on their tagline. Not too sure what a blessed moon is. But yeah. So I bought these from YesStyle and they cost $37 each, and that's in USD. So I feel like it is quite expensive, especially for the teeny tiny amounts that you would get in each pan. I wouldn't say that you would use these like every day as your like daily makeup. Maybe it's more suited for, you know, touch-ups on the go, or if you have a sleepover or a short holiday getaway and you don't want to pack your full kit, this will probably get you by. So the 2 shades that I got are slightly different. One is brighter and one is, I guess, skews more natural and a bit more muted. So I'm going to do 2 looks today with each palette, and I think I shall start off with the more natural colors. So this one is the Rocco Velvy Compact. I think I was reading it wrong the whole time. It's Rockovely. No, you read this. How do I read this?
Rockovely.
I'm sorry, guys. I just can't read. Rockovely? What does that even mean? I don't know. I can't read. I don't know why I read it as Rockovelvy. First, I'm gonna go in with the foundation. This is probably the smallest pan of foundation I have ever used. When it comes to the color ranges with Korean foundations, you guys know the deal. Usually they have like 2 to 3 shades of foundation. In this case, there was 2, 21 and 23. I'm usually a 23, however, when I bought it on YesStyle, there was no choice for me to actually pick that I wanted shade 23 for my foundation. I could only pick the packaging color on the outside. So this is a surprise. I actually don't know what color I have in this pan. Okay, that's the first swipe. It's not very full coverage, is it? Let me just try to cover like these spots are not very high coverage. And I feel like by the time I'm actually done with my face, half the pan will be gone. We're gonna be here a while, guys. This is the slowest way of putting on foundation. I feel like the models on their website must have had perfect skin because it's not looking that great on me. All right, you know what? I'm getting nowhere with this. I'm looking more chalky and ghostly with this shade. So I think I'm just going to quickly apply my normal foundation and then we can try the rest of the compact. I'm going in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. This one is so much better. Alrighty, so I'm back and it's safe to say that the foundation was a flop. Shall we move on to the next pan? This is a blush pan. I think I'll use my fingers again. It's a cream blush. Actually feels very similar to the foundation. And I'm just going to tap this on and then slowly blend it out, trying not to move my base underneath. So far it just feels like a cream blush. Nothing more, nothing less. Can you guys see that? It's quite natural on the skin. Just adds a nice wash of color. Okay, so the blush looks quite nice on. It's just like a subtle, nice blush. Not super pigmented, but you can definitely build up the intensity by, applying more. That's just gonna take a long time though. Look how nasty my pans are looking after one use. It's because I'm like using my finger and it's just making the whole thing dirty. Now we can move on to eyeshadows. I believe these are also cream eyeshadows, so I have a feeling these aren't gonna last very long. But we have like a pinky caramel brown here, and this is more like a champagne pinky color. So let's go in with the brown. Oh my gosh, my brush barely fits into this pan. And I'm just going to blend it on all over my lid. Actually, it's not bad. I thought it wouldn't be very pigmented, but you can actually see the color show up as I apply the first layer on. I guess if you want, you can also use your finger, but I feel like with my nails, like my finger just covers up like both the pan. And I'm just gonna blow this color out. Just give it a nice wash over my eyes. Generally with cream shadows, I like to use them as a base and then layer on a powder eyeshadow on top to lock it in. But yeah, I guess there's no powder in this, it's just creamy shadow. But actually I feel like it kind of does dry down or set to like a powder finish. Well, not completely powder, maybe more of like a velvet finish. I'm just gonna try some on the back of my hand to see if it actually sets. It does dry down quite a bit, but I still think that if you have like lots of lines on your lids, you might actually settle into the crease a little bit more. Now with a smaller brush, I'm going to grab that same color. Guys, FYI, I feel like I've already used half the pan doing this look. If you buy the pan on YesStyle, it was about like $7 to $9 each. And it's tiny, it's very expensive. I'm going to just apply this on my lower lash line and blow it out a little bit. I make the ugliest face when I do my lower lash line. I'm like acting really surprised or something. I can already see that the cream shadow is settling into my crease. You can see that color just building up on the line there. So I don't think this is actually going to last very long. Okay, next up I'm going into the more champagne pinky color. Let's just pop it in the center. Oh my, this has like no color payoff. There's hardly any shimmer here. It just looks a bit chalky. Definitely not feeling this so far. I mean, with this eye makeup, if it was just a base to lay powder shadows on top, I could see that's, no issue. I feel like once you apply powder, or maybe, if you want to intensify your powders, you can pop a cream eyeshadow underneath. That's okay, but I feel like this on its own is just not enough. It's not doing it for me. It's quite, I don't know, I feel like I'm applying kids makeup on, if you know what I mean. Like the pans are very small, the colors aren't super pigmented, foundation was poopy. What a ripoff. It's $37 for this. Let's just try the last formula, which is the lipstick or the lip color. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. The lip color is not too bad. I feel like it's quite nourishing in the lips, non-drying. I kind of feel like they're all the same formula though. Like I feel like they all feel very, very similar when I touch them. Definitely won't last long though. Does transfer because it's more of a creamy sort of finish. And yeah, the color's okay. I almost forgot, there's eyeliner as well. Oh, and I totally forgot to use the brush that came in the kit I guess it just like looked pretty cheap to me and I just forgot about it. But you know what, next palette I'm gonna try this out. But let's just move on to the eyeliner. In this kit I got a black eyeliner, so I'm going to use this. You can wind it up so you don't have to sharpen it, which is good. The formula is supposed to be waterproof as well. Let's just quickly line my eyes. Is it dry or something? Oh my god, it's so dry. Look at this eyeliner. It's like completely dried out or something. I'm actually going quite hard on my skin. The color payoff is rubbish. This eyeliner is the worst eyeliner I've ever used. If they call this a waterproof black eyeliner, they need to think again. Right, I think I shall skip eyeliner because if I wanted to build that intensity black liner that I normally wear, my eyes would probably like be very, very saggy and wrinkly and it would just tug and pull on my eyes, and yeah, I don't want that. I think I am pretty much done with this compact. I'm not a fan. It is really, really bad. I kind of feel like kids makeup will perform better than this. Maybe this colorway is just not that great. I have another one that's more vibrant that might show up a little bit better. So let me just quickly remove this besides the foundation, because I already know the foundation formula is a flop. Let's just hope that this one, the Yong Juicy one, performs a lot better. And this time I'm actually going to use the brush that comes with it. I'm gonna go into the eyeshadows first. There's more of like a pinky shade. The other shade is more orangey and it's more like a coral fluorescent finish. I'm gonna go in with the little sponge applicator because who doesn't love cheapy sponge applicators? I can barely see this. I really wanted this to work, guys. It had such cute packaging, but why are the products like this? Why? And why are they so expensive? The models on their website look so good. I look like I'm wearing kids makeup. I'm gonna go in with a brush, like a normal brush, just to give this a chance of performing well. I mean, okay. I'm gonna use the applicator for the other side and see if this actually deposits the color better. I guess this one's showing up more. The matte on the other compact was more vibrant and you kind of could see it more, had better color payoff. And the shimmer on this palette looks a lot better than the other one. It's looking a lot cuter now. I'm gonna apply that glittery shade underneath. I'm gonna do my ugly face. Off topic, but Alfred just walked in with like chips and nuggets. And we just got an air fryer and it's the best thing ever. Okay, eyes are looking better. Now I'm going to line my eyes. In this kit it came with a brown eyeliner. Let's hope it's not dried out like the black one. Let me just show you on the back of my hand. Oh my god, this one's so much better. I think I just got like an old dried out black liner. That's why it was so dry and crusty. It's quite a light brown. It's not that deep or dark, so I feel like it just naturally defines my eyes. I'm going to quickly just curl my lashes and then apply mascara, and then we can move on to the rest. Mascara's on, lashes are curled. It does make my eye makeup look a little bit better. So now I'm going into the blusher. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. It's more of like a coral brighter shade, so let's see the color payoff of this. Okay. You can definitely see it. I like these colors a lot more. I think they actually look better on camera, and because they're brighter, I don't have to apply as much, but still, like, you can see how dirty the pans actually get. Finally, I'm going to apply my lip, and this is like a red shade. It's much brighter than the natural pinky shade in the other compact, and I'm just using the brush on the end of this applicator. Okay, well this lip color is not too bad. It's the same formula as the other one, so it's moisturizing, it's creamy. So this is the second look. I actually like this one a lot better than the first one. I feel like the first one was maybe a bit too natural and the colors weren't as vibrant as the second one. But in saying that, I am glad that we're coming to the end of this video because it was really hard for me to just make these products work for myself. Usually in all my Tina Tries videos, I try to give every product a fair go. You know, like I do want them to work, I want them to perform as they say or advertise, but This one was tough. This one was very, very hard. The packaging itself I thought was really cool. You know, I haven't seen anything like this. I like that they had the hidden compartment for the brush and the eyeliner. The whole refillable kind of make your own palette was quite cool. But even just applying this once, I feel like you just go through the pan so quickly because they're tiny. They're so small, guys. These definitely won't last you any more than maybe like 10 applications. I feel like, you know, especially if you're doing your foundation with this whole thing, that's probably like 2 times. And then you'll have to refill it and spend like $9 on a new pan, which won't last that long. The formulas in these were really, really horrible. The foundation, oh my gosh, was very chalky. It didn't really cover much. The blush was just like a normal cream blush. Eyeshadows weren't that great because they're creamy, so for me they're not going to last very long, especially if you have oily lids. And the lip color was just okay. It was so-so. Nothing too special about it. The eyeliners, ugh. The black was totally horrible, as you guys saw. The brown was a little bit better, but still was very, very natural. And I like my like darker browns, not so much my lighter brown eyeliners. So yeah. So in saying all that, these were a massive flop for me. I would rate these, oh my gosh, what would I rate these? Like a 2 out of 10. I feel like the design was like pretty cool, but the formulas, the amount of products you get, the price of the product, it was just bad. That is it to this episode of Tina Tries It. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. And yeah, let me know if there's any cool products that you've seen online that you think would be perfect for my series. Comment below. That's it from me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. I can finally eat, and this chicken nugget is so good. So this one is the Rocco Velvy, I was gonna say palette. I'm gonna go into the eyeshadows. Oh my God. I think I had a chip stuck in my throat. So this is the final look. I actually like this one. Why is someone banging?